Hi everyone. Oh, so Phoenix is too early. Unless she's a wizard. Like, she might be. Or is that a witch? I don't know. But they are never late, nor are they early. They arrive exactly when they're mean to. So, you're okay, Phoenix. Well, that was from Lord of the Rings. So, yeah, but Harry Potter is good also. What is the difference between a chemist and a laborer? Hang on, I haven't said hello to everyone yet. Hello, everyone. There's a lot of you there. I don't want to miss anyone, but yeah, hello. So now, what is the difference between a chemist and a laborer? Hi, Phoenix.
Soaring Phoenix hit just redeemed high.
A chemist and a laborer. I don't know. I mean, one is a chemist. They might be a. Oh. Am I a witch now, too? Alright, okay. If you insist. I don't know about the sound levels today, but I think they're good, maybe? How they pronounce unionized. Unionized. How else would you say it? Unionized. I don't know how else to say it. Wait, unionized. Aha, I got it. I don't know what that is. No ionizing? Voice a bit low. Well, you have to turn my volume up then. I don't think I can do something. Oh, hang on. No, I have it set at full volume on my end, so this is just how loud as it goes. So what I can do is I can lower other things, and you can like not have ear problems. Don't know.
Soaring Phoenix hit just redeemed hydrate.
Hydrate? We just started. Okay. Thank you. I have hydrated. I have game. I have not game. I'm sorry. I was going to do this, but I didn't do it. Where is it? Is that the one? Yes. There you go. Now I have game. So, I thought we would start anew because I have you heard the joke that the game Doom can run on anything? Is that a joke? I thought that was true. I have seen some very odd renderings of that game. Also Counter-Strike. So, wait, I removed. Do you want to delete Twitch? Yes. Because I wanted to make sure it was a new game. I just tested this out earlier. So I thought, like, let's have a completely new game. Wait. Oh. This game is, there's no like, ta-da, no, it starts. It's just, it is now running. We are now in the game. So, this window contains information about everything in the game. So this game is just going to, oh, we can zoom out quite a lot. And we're going to need to later. It's just gonna throw a bunch of windows on us, and there is information windows, and we can have code files, and we can have, there is an unlock tree, and there was an update apparently when I started this game, they said. So they have changed it, so this might be a new experience. Hats. Oh, hats are good. Open the unlock tree. What? This is the unlock tree. I found a bug. I can't believe my favorite fox is secretly a programmer. Well, am I now? Well, I mean, I have unlocked, like, before. It was like half a year ago or something. I unlocked like all the entire tree that was there. So maybe I am. All right. Hi Hobbs. How you doing? Wait, what? My favorite. You have made it an anime title because okay. So here's our main file. We are going to learn stuff. This window contains information about everything in the game. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the gray part, like this, of the window. You can move around dragging anywhere outside the windows, like this. To get started with programming, go to the first program page, and by clicking it, be sure to check out the buttons on the top right corner of the screen. We have already done that. Be sure to check out the buttons and hover over them to see a tooltip. Blah blah blah. Yes, first program. Main, we can run it. See, it does absolutely nothing. And it's so weird that I get the achievement now because I've already done this. I guess the achievements didn't exist before. We are going to code in these windows. It's like a text editor. You can create more code using the plus button. Also we can also do this. No, we can't. But like if I do this, I can like. Wait, have they removed that? Okay, like that. See, now they move together. Ah! Oh my god, that's loud. I need to change that. Ouch! What just happened? Hi, Cybertronus. Thank you for following the channel. Oh my goodness, what is too loud? I think that one is too loud. Okay. What just happened? Do you want to delete? Yes, we don't want to delete. Just put some earphones in and the sweet voice of Merc guide you through the cleaning. Yeah, that will work. I have to clean my boots, laces out, deep clean, polish, full deep clean. All right. Well, do a flip. Yes, we can do this. I feel I'm not like concentrating, but ta-da, we did a flip. If you already know Python, it's not a program either. You just be able to skip the early game. It's not a problem. I was like, it's not a program? Okay, so the issue is me reading while streaming is not always working, so we'll see how this goes. Currently, there are 2 drone commands available, harvest and do a flip. We can add harvest to our little program here. See? So now we have 1 hay. It's very good. Yes, this is how you do things. Very good. So when do I get a loop? I need loops. Oh no, there's no loops. Oh, okay. So we can have speed, we can have increase the yield of grass. Well, that's nice. We need 300 for those. How do I get... Oh no. Oh, thank you.
Gifted 1 subscriptions to the community.
Thank you, Phoenix, for gifting a sub. I think Cybertronus got it. So that's awesome. Oh, we can unlock this. Oh, I only need 5. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here. The flip is inefficient. Oh no, now I'm binary. Okay. Oh, look at that. Now I can afford a while. Bloop. Oh my goodness. We can do while loops now. So, and it gives us the syntax. So, okay, did I like forget to like, what's gonna call it? Introduce this game. It's called Farmer Was Replaced because the farmer was replaced by this robot here. So we are going to harvest things with our little code things. And now I have made an infinite loop to make it harvest a lot of things. All right. Oh, I put 1 that is the same as true. That is a good opportunity, Hobbs. Like when else am I going to be binary? The loop then executes the code inside the loop until the condition is false. So this is actually a test. It tests if 1 is true, and it is, because 1 is a non-zero value, so it's true. For some reason, my friend said the scariest thing I could say is, I have an idea, and then crack open a soda can. I feel that says more about me than I care to admit. A soda can. You know what the scariest thing someone can say is? It's they sit down on your computer, they open a command prompt, they run a few commands, and then they say the scary thing. Oops. That is very scary. So, if you want to scare someone, you can do that. Like, don't actually ruin their computer though. Oh, what are we doing? Okay, we're patiently waiting until we have more hay. I think we can close these because we wanna. Oh, what is this hat? Hat. Equip them. This was not here last time I was here. We want like a purple hat? We can just put a hat on him like this. Aha! Now he has a purple hat. Very funny. No, say oops when you're working on the car. That scares him. Oh, that's the same thing, only potentially way more expensive. What else can we unlock? Speed. We want speed. That's good. What is this? Oh, now he's trying to do stuff when he can't. So then we need to do if can harvest first. So also I kind of want it to say true here because it's nicer, isn't it? There. So problem is like that that check if it can harvest actually takes time. So it's not 100% efficient, but what are you gonna do? It's a tie between I have an idea and I found it. All right. So did it say anything else important here? So the can harvest is just what happens when the above code runs? The if runs. Can harvest is called. Yes. Okay. So it just tells us how. You can read this if you're curious. No, she didn't get fired. I hope. All right. So if anyone thinks we should have a different color hat, let me know. The cinnamon bag had holes in it, and the cinnamon got. Oh, oh no! Cinnamon is not so good. Okay, so now we need wood to unlock more speed. We don't have any wood to harvest, but we can get more grass. Oh no, no, like what is this wood thing? Because how do I get wood now? I don't have wood. That's weird. Can I go down here? Oh, maybe I can. Yeah. Oh, because now, wait. Do we have movement yet? Can I move? Oh, I can move now. So we should. Maybe we should just move north. Because I was thinking like if I should stand around waiting until I can harvest and then move, but because you can see the grass is moving, like it's growing slowly. You can watch the grass grow. It's very nice. Okay, so what if I do this? It's not fast enough to need this. I'm gonna comment this out. See, it's fine. What is lethal? So now we can plant bush. That's good because we needed wood too. Grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with a plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant like this, and this bush. So I feel like after we have harvested, we can. Okay, I'm gonna put the can harvest back, and then plant entities. See, it auto completes. It's very nice. Bobby gets scared whenever I start evil laughing all of a sudden. What? I think I missed a whole bunch of things. A friend got scared when you found something she was looking for. It was a grave. Oh boy, why was she scared of it? Was it her grave? All right, so we're gonna plant a bush. You can't plant grass too, but it's not. Wait, this will plant a bush under the drone. Call clear to reset the farm to all grass. It seems that if you grow more than one type of plant on the farm at the same time, you can sometimes get a higher yield. I don't remember how that works. So we can like deal with that later. So I have read that. Can I have more speed? For 20, okay. I don't know if it's gonna... Okay, so it's better if we expand the farm, actually. What scared her was how fast I found. Well, yeah, that can be scary. You want to watch the drone while it gets 20 wood for me? Oh, carrots? Well, let's get more land first. So, what is this? Do flip. Why does it always want me to do flips? It takes so much time. Your farm has expanded again. Now the tiles are no longer in a nice row. You can't see the farm. There it is. It's very important that we see the farm. He's just moving up and down now because I haven't changed the program. Because... All right, we want to do a for loop instead now. Wait. Yeah, we need this while loop here because... Oh, you can give me extra wood? Thank you, Bobette. You're just talking about logs, right? Nothing else. So I'm gonna do a for I in range. Wait, isn't there a... Can I like get world size? Yes. This will tell me the side of the world, I'm sure. It returns the side length of your farm. Yes, yes, error. I'm not done yet. There you go. And then all this will have to move inside. And then we want to move east. And then it just... I think that's all I can do to get it to... Well, yeah, it kind of works. Progression. Yes, yes. I'm having trouble reading the chat while I do this, so you have to forgive me if I miss something important. You are allowed to shout at me if you miss something important. That should do it. All right. Yes, very good. We're not taking anyone else's solutions. We're doing this. We're gonna do speed. Can I also... Oh, 500. Oh dear. And now I need carrots. All right. So I already have this. We can unlock print. Not that it's very handy, but it's like nice to have it. Why is this broken? Breakpoints can be added by clicking on the breakpoint tab panel. I think this was a like separate debug was a separate unlock last time around I played it, and it was very annoying. Actually, I like that they put it together. Banana! Oh no, important message. Okay, okay.
The demon wolf just redeemed IRL word ban. All right.
I was saying that a lot, wasn't I? Okay. Can I say? Oh, look at this. We can add that to our little program. New hat unlocked. It's traffic cone. Oh, because I just... What was wrong with it? Print the current position. What do you mean that's wrong? Unlock senses must be unlocked. Oh, they gave me stuff that I couldn't. So now we can have a traffic hat. Hang on. Traffic cone. Really? Ooh. I have a traffic cone. Banana. I hope I haven't said it. Oh no, I'm gonna get punished. Because also I really enjoy this little pig thing where the money goes. Look at it. Look how cute he is. Also, I don't know if we need particularly wood right now. What I sometimes do is like, I mean, so you can have like here, we're doing wood or bushes, but then down here, I don't know what this is gonna do, like what what if I just put grass here and I just copy my code and I don't plant bushes, then it's going to grow grass there. See? So he's going to do like every other row. So we get both. That's very handy. But I think like at this point, set speed. No, I don't want to do that. Also, we don't have these things. What is this? Operators. I gotta unlock operators. Yeah, we gotta do that. Okay. Not the other word I'm not allowed to say. We have now operators. I didn't know I didn't have them before. So that's good. I don't know if I have any use for this right now, but it's good to have. I don't know. All right. Carrots. Good. So before you can plant carrots with plant carrot. Did I say it? Oh no, I did say it. I didn't mean it. I meant okay. All right. You have to till the soil. This, I said it again, didn't I? Oh no, this will change the ground to soil. To till the soil, simply called till. Very nice. Wait, I can't remember. I'm gonna put carrots up here. Oh, did I seriously copy in a comment so that I didn't have to create a comment again? All right, well. Oh! Fiddlesticks. Okay. Carrot. That's so hard. You can't ban my most common word. It's not fair. Like, how will I cope? Okay. So I'll just take this little thing here and we're gonna harvest and no, it's not fun. It's very, very, very horrible. And then we're going to, I think we're gonna till the earth every time. And then we can plant carrot like that. I think that's all we gotta do. You can see the cost of any plant. Oh, it's gonna cost us wood, so it's good to not only make carrots, I think. I'm not sure. Like, I think last time I had like a whole section where it like planted carrots until I had the amount of carrots that I needed for whatever it was that I wanted. We might do that somehow later. One of my friends bet me that I couldn't find her an Umbreon or Sylveon Build-A-Bear, and she jokingly said, 5 minutes later, I found both in 4. Oh. 5 minutes have passed, I can say all right again. All right, all right, all right. Hang on, I'm gonna... All right. Very good. I'm drinking too much coffee. And I did make coffee this time. All right. See? Well, now I don't have to feel bad about me saying that. Okay, good. What is this? Your code triggered a warning. Click the icon to view details. Oh no. Warning, cannot plant entities carrot on grounds. Oh, because till will just it will just flip it. Oh. Well, that's too bad. I think that is because I don't check if the ground is soil before we do this. Oh, because now it's exactly 3 there. Okay, well, that's interesting. I don't think we can check yet if the ground is solid, because I think we need like sensory things. Let's see. Pet the piggy? We can pet the piggy? This action is not affected by speed upgrades. Takes 1 second. Okay, well, we gotta do that every time. It's very important. Wait, I need to see that. I've never seen this before. No, no! He did it behind the window! Oh no! Oh, wait, there's... What is he doing? With hearts and everything. Very cute. But I was going to like... If the... Tills the ground. Okay, but how do I check if it's... Where's the sensory things? Don't I have the stuff? Like, I feel like it should be some sort of get is soil or something. Maybe we unlock it later. I don't know. We have some stuff. Oh, we can run. It's fine. Make every one of the models proton and neutron and vice versa. Remove models' friction at subatomic level and invert the model's colors. That is, I don't think I've unlocked that. So, oh, we can expand more. That's good. Can I expand even more? Oh, now we need pumpkins. We don't have pumpkins. Okay. But can I do this? No. See, that now we have more land. It's very nice. I want more speed. He's too slow. So... I think we're still running into the issue that he's gonna try and till these. Yeah. He's supposed to do carrots there, but he's not. Oh well. Then there should be some sort of like... Get time. Past time. No. Census. That is good. We need census. She has to make 3. Oh, 3 of them, huh? I did write the script yesterday. I might record it sometime. Yeah, I am very sorry. I haven't done any of those for a little bit because there has been so much. Yes. Oh, well, that was popular, apparently. Well, Phoenix is just different work, isn't it? Oh, now we can get the get position X and Y and stuff. Number of items. That is good because maybe we don't need more hay. So now we could do like, what can we do? If, where is it? A number of items. The font is sort of weird, I think. What is the, it is items. Hey. If that is, oh, that this is not how you do an if, like, because I program in other languages, but we can do this. So if that is less than like 1,000, then I don't know. Then you do this, otherwise not. So just skip that now. Hug the piggy. Nothing obs, nothing is. Error. Items has never been defined. You must assign a value to variables. Oh, because it's not supposed to be a dot there.
Bobby Thideman Wolf just redeemed IRL word ban. So no saying so for 5 minutes.
What? I'm not allowed to say that. Okay. I'll try not to. I don't know. When do I say that? Where is it? Oh my god, I was just about to say it again. This is so hard when you do that. Yeah, I don't notice how often I say it. That is true. But I wanted to check if there's like the ground, if I can check for the soil. I don't feel the need to figure out where on the map I am because I'll just move along. Where's the error? Yeah. That's what I'm trying to fix. Census. That's what I already was looking at. So, oh, I just said it again. Oh no, where's the soil? There it is. Can I check? Because calling till again changes back to grassland. Not the word I was not allowed to say. Oh, candy. Thank you. I didn't say it. I think. Well, I was given candy. Not the word I was not allowed to say. Wait. Why can't I find how to check what the... Is it something more I need to unlock? Where's this? Lists. Do we need this? I don't know. I don't think I do. I think this is like not Can I search in the information thingy? Also, can we have more speed? Yes. I need 500 carrots to unlock this. Oh, what are you going to do now? What have I said? I'm not going to be able to talk at all. I'm trying not to say the banned words. Hi, Jimmy. How are you doing? They are being mean to me. They are banning words for me. No, you're not allowed to do that. That can't be okay. So I have these. Those need treasure. We don't have treasures. Get time. No. Ouch.
Bobby Thideman Wolf gifted a tier 1 subscription to
That's so nice of you, Bobette. Thank you. Did I say it again? I didn't say it. I don't remember saying that. I got a tree hat? Why? Why did I get a tree hat? What is the tree hat? Hats. What can I do? Brown hat, straw hat. Traffic cone. Tree hat. What is a tree hat? Oh! I now have a tree hat. Have you seen my amazing tree hat? Oh, it's amazing. And yeah, it's very important to spend 1 second every loop to pet the pig. I don't know. I don't think I said it. Since when did flying trees exist? It's not a flying tree. It's a farmer robot. The farmer has been replaced by this robot, and it's flying around harvesting things. And we put a tree hat on it. So, there it is. Oh, now I definitely said it. They have banned so. I said it again. Oh no! How many punishment are you going to give me later? Avoiding saying. All I see is a tree with propellers. Yeah, that is true. I mean, I think the straw hat is the default. I don't know. Yeah. So that's what it looked like from the beginning. Like it is a farmer robot. Bye. Which tree do we like? I like the traffic cone. Hat. What do you mean, sus? Do you like me saying punishment? It's not that sus, is it? Flying straw hat. I forgot an upgrade. Yeah. We should try an upgrade. I keep forgetting to do that. Oh, we can right click here if we wanted to. If we get 500 carrots, we can have more speed, and then we can like have more stuff. So, but I don't like waiting around things. I like how he hugs the pig. Oh, I can say so again. Oh my goodness. Somebody says, okay, well, that I wouldn't know. I'm completely innocent. Well, what can I unlock? I don't think we're like intentionally planting grass because I put this line here. So all of this is like because I failed to check if the ground is soil beforehand. Like I could have like assigned specific rows for it. But why make it easy for ourselves? 7 punishments. No. I don't need punishments. Oh. Speed. Speed. Yes. More speed. Look how fast. It's so fast now. That's very good. Okay, so next speed thing. Oh, stretch. Oh, stretch. Okay. I really need that. Thank you. Speed and power. Where is power? I don't know. I don't know why we would want this either, but we need to go further down here because we're gonna need pumpkins. Watering. That's good. Let's try water things. So, plants grow faster. Oh. What is happened? Oh, hydrate.
just redeemed hydrate.
Thank you. Plants grow faster when they are watered. The ground has water level ranging from 1 to 0 to 1. Oh, what has happened? Oh, we're gonna need to save. Do we need to save in this game? I have saved the game. I think we probably do need to save. Thankfully, in this game, we can save at any moment. It's very good. Yeah, no, you can't stack the hydrate redeem. But if you do need me to take a break to go to the bathroom, you can. There is a redeem for that, I think. If I remember correctly, I forgot. The function get water returns the water level of the ground it's over. Oh. So I want functions now. Because I don't want to put this in every loop. But I mean, we could do that here. A little thing, and then the function get water. So if get water, a tank holds 0.25. So if water is less than what? 0.5, I don't know. I keep putting parentheses around things when there shouldn't be any. So if we do that, then what is the function? Use item. And if we don't have water, then that's too bad. Items. Water. None of it. Water. Water. There. So. And then we just have to put that in like on all the places because no, oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Why is this more indented than that? Oh, because we have an if thing here. New hat unlocked. We love watching this as a computer science major. Yeah, I actually studied some of it back in the day too. What hat is new? What can we have? Straw hat, traffic cone, tree hat. What? There's no Goku hat. I don't see. Carrot hat? Who wouldn't want carrots on their head? Who indeed? Look. Oh my goodness. What is it? There's carrots. All right. Okay then. So I think we should like test for water because otherwise we're spending time trying to use water that we do not have. I think. Can we have and things here? I don't remember. Num items. Items. Water. We get like did it say that we water 0.25 every time we water, or is it like a whole one? What is it? A tank hold? What is a tank? Oh. What does this do then? We can specify. Can I specify how much water it uses? Like that? Am I making terrible mistakes? Set speed command would be funny. Why? Don't we want to go at top speed at all times? Hi, Brennan.
Brennan Snakey Cop just redeemed hi.
We need a, like, how do you do? Is this how you do it? I haven't unlocked, like, I feel the need to tell y'all that this is bad programming, copying and pasting code. You should always use functions whenever you have to copy and paste things, but I don't have functions yet, I think. I think you have to unlock them at some point. Yeah, see functions, you haven't unlocked it. I can't yet. Can I unlock variables? That's good. What am I going to use that for? Not right now. But then function. Oh, I've done that before. Yeah, like the speed function, like you want to go at full speed at all times. You've already seen. I've forgotten how to. I'm like more looking for how to check if the ground is like wait. Can I just here? I feel like this is not going to work because this is just a value. I wanna, what is it, like, if is is there a function called is? So can I search in this silly thing? No, I want to search function check. Is there a check function? Check, or like something about below? No, I feel like it should be called if. It is. If you feel like you suck at programming, one person was programming in Hebrew. He didn't speak Hebrew. How does that matter? You don't speak programming. You only have to like learn all the operators and functions. So then you're fine. Oh. Gonna go watch someone struggle in a Minecraft mod for 3.5 hours. What do you want to? Don't you want to see me struggle with this? Also, why is there no game music in this game? You can code not in Hebrew. What? I feel like my Viking ancestry has influenced my hyperfixations. Well, I wouldn't know any difference because, you know, I'm Swedish. So, that was his reaction. There should be a function. Is it just giving me all the functions over here? I don't think we can check the ground yet. That is annoying. Oh well, did I change something else? Or can I run this now? Let's see. Error. Use item quantity must be at least 1. Oh, I'm not allowed to use this. Why not? Does it have to be an integer here? I want to use just a little water. Then you have the guy so good at Scrabble that he got bored and decided to memorize the French dictionary and win a French Scrabble tournament. Oh my goodness. That's not being good at Scrabble. That is being good at weird memory thing, because if you can just memorize a dictionary, like, hello. Yeah, well, after he has memorized the entire dictionary, he can write it, minus the grammar. Now, what am I doing? We are, what is this thing behind this thing? Let's go see if we can upgrade stuff. Speed. We need 1,000 carrots. I don't think we need grass for anything. Oh, that's a lot of wood. All right. Trees. What is this? Yeah, we can't unlock it either. What do I have down here? Oh, I unlocked functions and then I didn't use them. That's silly. Import things from other files. Yes, yes, please allow me to do that, because then I can do this. And now I can have the water thing here, I think. And let's do that thing here. Define water. I've forgotten how to do everything. Is this how you define a function in Python? I am unsure. We can try. And then we gotta import water. See? And then imagine something like set caret. You don't set with double what do you call it? Equal signs. You only use one equal sign to set caret to 1,000. Yes, this is Python. Well, I mean, I learned programming in C++. So, and then I have spent a great deal of many years programming in PHP. So, Python is kind of new to me. That's why I'm struggling with the syntax. But like, it's the basic general, you know, it's a. This is obviously some sort of class or object or something. It's a basic same principle. Yeah, like after I finished university, they changed the program that I had gone to teach Java instead. And I don't know exactly why, but there you go. So instead of watering things manually, we should now do this. See how this is so much more efficient? Because now if I want to change how watering works, I just change it down here. And hopefully this doesn't crash now. It crashed now. Oh yeah, I need to do water. Oh yeah. That is how you do it. Sorry. Also, y'all hear that ASDF movie 16 came out yesterday. What is that? I don't know what that is. So, good. Should we like concentrate on something? I'm just unlocking a bunch of stuff. What is this? Random. I can't unlock it. Random is my favorite function. I like random things. I go to random.org a lot. So, do we need trees? I mean, sure, why not? I feel like sunflowers. Oh, this is where the power comes in. We already, like, I think we got wood from trees. They're very special little beings. But we can do sunflowers. There's something special about those. Oh, fertilizer. That's confusing. Let's do sunflowers first. So, sunflowers collect the power of the sun. You can harvest that. Oh, missed the little hug. You can harvest that power. Planting them works exactly like planting carrots or pumpkins. I haven't unlocked pumpkins yet. If there are at least 10 sunflowers on the farm and you harvest the one with the largest number of petals, you get 8 times more power. If you harvest a sunflower, well, oh, so now we gotta do the whole sunflower function thing bit. So, if you harvest sunflower while there is another sunflower. Oh, dang it. Dinner. Beep, beep, Ima sheep. What? With more petals, the next sunflower you harvest will also only give you the normal amount of power, not the 8 times bonus. Measure returns the number of petals of the sunflower under the drone. So, I think if I remember correctly, I'm gonna leave that up there somewhere. And let's do a little... Oh no, where did it go? It decided it wanted it to be down here. I didn't want it down here. I want it somewhere. Okay. I'm just gonna, it can do its thing while I program this. So I'm gonna name this. Sunflower. And then plant and harvest. Oh, this is not how you write. Define. Plant and harvest. Yesterday was pizza day. All right. So because since I haven't imported this, I can write while he runs. What am I going to do? Am I going to like fill up the entire space? I feel like now I need to will they grow on both like soil and the other thing, or oh, look at this. What do you want from me? There. No, a code block must contain at least one statement. Oh. Also, the thing about Python is that you do not end each line with a semicolon, because it is like tab and line break sensitive. So you have to make your code structured, and it's very good like that. But I am so used to put semicolons at the end of lines, so I might do it at some points. If you wait, base growth time between can grow on soil. Oh, so after 8.4 seconds after we have planted the last one, they're all done. That's good to know. Because wasn't there a thing where we could Wait, why did it... It gave me this first. We are going to measure. So first, we're gonna plant. No, first we're gonna do a for loop. For in... Wait, is this how you did it? I forgot it. Get ground type. That's how you do it. Okay. That's not what I want here. I knew there was a way. If get ground type. Is it just... I don't have to... There's no parameters, right? Is it the game that makes that bird noise, or is it my phone? I think it's the game. How does Python work? Is it 2 equal signs, or is it just one? This should be 2 equal signs. And then grounds dot grassland. That's when we till. And then I'm gonna take this and flip it for... I think the bushes grows on anything, it seems. Yes, but the grass only grows. So there. If it's not grassland, wait, is there more types than these two? I don't know. The sodas in my fridge are becoming slushies. Why? Is it that cold in your fridge? What? It must be a colon. Well, the error messages are very helpful. Everything is going to be soil in a moment. It doesn't matter. Did a sunflower require anything? I don't think so. So it was not is or check, it was get. That was so logical. Wait. Get. Oh, get world size. There you go. So, and then let's first harvest if we can, and then plant. What is it? Entities. Sunflower. I don't think we need to till the earth to do anything, but then what we need to do, so we need kind of a high score list. Because we need to harvest the one with the largest number of petals, because then we get 8 times more power. So immediately after planting, first we measure. How did I do a variable again? Where is it? Is it just, it's just variable name. All right. In PHP, you have to put a $sign. So equals measure. And then when we start this, we need to is now when we have a list, or like what do I have unlocked over here? We do have lists. Oh, okay, now we do. I thought we already did, but now we have a list. All right, so okay. So we need a list of the of, wait, of all the sunflowers? Can I pop in things in the middle of a list because I want to do that? Well, we'll have to read about lists now. Oh joy. Because I forgot everything I knew about lists. Lists are an easy way to store multiple values. Yes, okay, this we know. This I do not enjoy. Yes. Wait, the sunflowers, do they have, like, they can have 15 petals? So we could they have between 7 and 15 petals. So we could have like, can we have like nested lists? I'm trying to figure out what the best way to do this is, because I'm unfamiliar. Like I mainly want to do a sorted list of the coordinates of the sunflowers that has the highest amount of petals. I would have done an array of arrays with XY values. Like first like all the 15 ones and then 14 ones or so. If I was coding in C++, but I'm not. Wait, what is this? Dictionaries. Get access to dictionary. Oh, can't. That's unfortunate. What is this? Leaderboard. Yeah, we can't do that yet. I feel like this tree was bigger before. Oh, speed is now at maximum. Okay, that's good. Like, I can unlock these, so why wouldn't I? Receive more water. Oh. Apparently one even got frozen solid. Please note, those sodas are in unopened cans. That seems dangerous. Take them out. Like, why is that happening? Well, the International Pizza Day is January 1st. So I don't know what you guys are doing. Wait, can I do a list of lists? Wait, what is this? Plant carrots. Oh, it does have... I could put the position in. Wait, I need to read this like properly. So, empty list is this, yes. You can access an element of a list by its index. The index is 0 for the first element and 1 for the second element, 2 for the third, and so on, like it should be. Plants, carrots, lists. What do you mean plants, carrots? Entities tree, carrot, pumpkin. Plant lists 1. Yeah, would take that one. You can iterate over a list using a for loop. Number in list. Yeah, okay, so you can have a variable that will take on these values from this list. And then you can just sum them up if you want. I mean, I could just put all the... But can we get lists within list though? Like that would have been very handy for me. You know, because I would have wanted a list with like the number of petals and then a list of coordinates as the second, and then I would... So there would have been a list and a list and a list. I was immediately jumping to that, but I don't think we're gonna have that. I think we can just put petal list here. Like this is gonna be very simple. But can I put a list in a list? I don't know. Maybe I can put tuples in list because I feel like I've done that before. So flower whereabouts. That's a good list name, don't you think? So what we're gonna do here then, it's gonna put the petals. Wait, what is the insert? Append petals. I'm not sure about this. Flower. Why isn't it helping me with that? Append. And then we put in wait. Can I just do that? I think that's also a function, isn't it? Oh, give me all the functions. Git pos. Isn't it? I think I didn't know that it was, but I thought it is, or maybe it isn't. I don't know if this function exists. You're cold, Phoenix. Can you have a blanket or something? So that should give us a list, like very unorganized. So then later, wait. I'm gonna nestle this for list here. Like so. It's fine. It's because we wanted to do it for the entire thing. And then I'm gonna do, like, it will have to stop here and wait while... How does it change hat? Can we change the hat? Oh, we can. Yeah. Can I like... Oh, can we have a list of the hats? Like, can I just take the next hat? I don't think you're gonna go do that. I'm thinking just hopping into bed, but then I will fall asleep. That's a bit early for you to sleep, maybe. So, do you have something to do? Or otherwise, I don't maybe do that. Maybe we do a flip. That's very inefficient, but whoops. I wish you would stop doing that. So, after we have done all this, there's an error. Oh, not there. Can I just run that one? Just to see that it works. I think it works. I wrote it. So there's probably an issue with it. But you're playing, that's not my neighbor. Start to stop. Can I not run this? I should be able to run it. Like that. Yeah, that wasn't possible. Okay. Oh, now I remember. I think I had a function earlier. Like this. And I wanted a get pause function, so I had written one. I think I can just do this. Because then you return a tuple, which is like 2 values. And that's all it does. So if I import, what did I call it? Pause? Like in position? I don't like this. Position. And then wait, is position already some defined word? Maybe. I guess then pause is good. Like that, maybe? Change hat. Wizard hat? What did I unlock this time? I forgot to move it. So that's an issue. Move. East, perhaps. And then here we move north. There. See? Huh. Now it doesn't do anything because there's nothing there. Can I check that? Get where do I? And not get entity type. What does that do? Find what kind of entity is under the drone. Returns none if the tile is empty. None is none the same as false? Not sure. Let's try it. Apparently not. There you go. Why did this happen? That's an issue. Is it because it goes all the way around? And does it again? So it harvests the sunflower. Yeah, we have harvested a bunch of sunflowers. All right. I guess we will check that it's not a sunflower, but I don't know why it shouldn't do that. So, do I have to do this? Maybe. What? Why is there an arrow on it? 3. Yes. Why did it do that? Oh, is it because we need to tell it? I think we need to tell it. So that's the issue. If get ground type is not ground soil. Oh, I did this again. I don't know if that, can we have this? Because no, we don't want that. So then we'll kill it there. Now what? I think this was a mistake. So okay, so the harvesting, so now we should have a list of, can I like see the list? Because when I hover over petals, I do not get, oh. We can't see the value because the program has stopped. So that's the issue there. All right, so now, do I have a list? Can I see it? No. But it measured that, so like we should have it. Oh, look, this is interesting. I found a bug. No, you were supposed to stop there. Why did you remove my breakpoint? This is the fascinating bit out of programming. So look, we now have a list of petal sizes. So now we can do this like in a very inefficient way, I think. That's my first idea, is just to go like, wait, how do I go backwards in a range? Can I do this? What will this do? Will it start at 15 and end by doing the... Can I have that in the... the text is outside. Right click for more information. There it is. Ending right before reaching end. So we need to have 6 there, because we need to pick up the flowers with 7 petals and then stop. Note that start is set to 0 by default. And if only one argument is given, it will bind to end. This isn't normally possible. Yeah, that's not how functions normally work. But... all right, so I'm thinking we go through like for X. I don't like that. Flower in petal list. Wait, how do I know where I am in it? Now it's tricky. I don't remember how code works. Do I just like n in range? How do I get the length of a list?
Sorry, Phoenix, it just redeemed hydrate.
Thank you, Phoenix. I will hydrate. Thank you. Water is important. Now, what was I doing? Oh, right. Can I take petal list and get the length of it, because I need the positions. Is very important. How do I get the length of a list? There should be a way to do that. Len. Okay. Oh, it's not a member like that. Where is it? We do Len petal list. Will that return one less number than there is in the list? I hope. Why would this be 3? Ah, okay. So, like if there is 3 items, we want to go from 0 to 2. So, like that. And then if, let's see now, if petal list, no wait. Yes, if petal list n is I. I'm thinking very slowly. So we check if we go through the entire list multiple times, and then we like first check for 15, then we check for 14, and if it, and so on down to 7, and if it is that, then we go to that position and pluck the flower that is on that position. So that's what we do here. And after we have done this, we should be completely done. So now we have to write a function that is called go to then flower where about. Oh, why did I name it like this? Because I'm silly. That is why on the same position there should be the whereabouts of that particular flower, and then we should just do wait for it. And then harvest it. I mean, we could water it too. I don't know, do I have to import water in here? We're gonna have an import catastrophe later, you'll see. And then harvest it. And that should be it. Let's see how hard it crashes. So he's decided, where is he? Oh, he has decided he was done. What? Wait. We'll have to like debug this part. So I is now 5. Why would it be 5? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, did I misread how range start and end? Step is 1. Maybe it can't go backwards. Well, that is fine. We can just start at 7, wait, and go to 15, and then no, wait. We're gonna have to do like 15 minus. Alright, we're gonna start at 0 and then go to what would it be? 7? What is 15 minus 7? That's 8. I am confusion. Math. I'm not good at math in my head right now. So let's just try it because I'm lazy. So because I want to go backwards, like I want to start with 15. So now why is I always 5? That can't be right. It must start with something else. Now it's 0. Wait, would it actually work to do that what we have from the beginning? And I was just not seeing it because I didn't step through that line. If I put the breakpoint there instead, I'll be less confused. I'm gonna have lots of power anyway, so what do we use power for? I don't know. We'll check that later. So what is I now? Come on, tell me what you are. Did it not stop? Did it end the program? What? I don't approve of that. Yeah, it ends the program. That's interesting. Okay, okay. I guess we will have to do... So if I wanted to go from... Like, is 8 the correct thing? I'm not sure. Someone tell me if my math is way off. So... Go to has never been defined. Oh, I was just going to write it. That frequently happens. Where is my position? There it is. Also, it's not called like that. It's gonna be called... Let's go to. So... And it's gonna also be very stupidly defined. Go to. X, Y. So do we just do while X is less than get position X. Yeah, but that's very dumb. Start X. Get position X. Okay. Then we can just do 4. For in range. X minus. This is going to be stupid because if you like are right next to it in the wrong direction, it's going to go all the way the other direction. But oh, I'm supposed to save. That's probably a good idea. Thank you. There we go. So this box is very small. Move. Now let's see so I don't do it the wrong way. Oh, cute little fox. It should be how many bigger? So we should move east, I think. And then we just do the same for Y. Y, get position Y, and then just do this, only we move north instead. And Y minus dot Y north. I'm not sure this is gonna work. Because I don't know if I'm gonna move up the right direction. Just realize how long we've been playing, and then if it glitched, that would be bad. Oh yeah, it hasn't been a while since the last save. I only save apparently when someone redeems it. So I am allowed to save otherwise too. All right, so we should probably test this. So did I put it right? Yes. Let's see what happens. I got a sunflower hat. That's nice. Go to takes 2 arguments. And you called it like that. I have a list in a list. All right. So I guess then, wait. Or can I just what if I do it like this? I don't think that's gonna work, but I have to try it. No, you can't do it like that. That is wrong. But I'm pretty sure there's a smarter way than what I'm about to do. But you know. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's see. So now we have an I that is 0, hopefully. Hello. Oh, we're not in here, so I can't. All right. But over here we have 4 and 3. So that should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And did I say 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. So we should move to this flower over here. So let's see if it does that. It does seem to do that. Yes. Amazing. What is, so I is 0. So what is this? N is 3. Oh, we have a 15 there. So it seems that so far my programs seem to be working. Ow! Hi, Nord.
Nordalig just cheered 100 bits.
Thank you so much for the bits. How are you doing? I'm doing good. I think. What? We're not allowed to do that. Yes, because it's water, not just water. I think it works now. Yeah, you may be late. It's okay. Where has it stopped? 4, 3. I'm just gonna check, but I think it's gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It should be moving to there, so it's already there. So that went well. So you missed the start, and now we're deep into a function that plants sunflower. And then once we have planted all the sunflowers, we want to pluck them in the order of most petals first. It's very important that we do this. So. Oh, it does water things too for us. I'm gonna remove that. Can do that because, oh, wow. Oh, what is it doing now? This is not good. It has stopped. Because there's nothing, it already harvested. Then it should move on. Why isn't it moving on? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it has already been plucked. No, it isn't. How did this happen? Well, if I test that the entity type is not 0, then or none, then then at least this dumb situation will not happen. Don't know why it did though. This seems like a good sunflower to... Oh, I can see all the measurements. So that has 15 petals. That's very good sunflower to pluck. What did it do now then? Okay, now we're looking for the next one. Oh, what is... It's gonna be a while. Okay. So... Why didn't it go anywhere? That was weird. Then maybe this doesn't really work the way I want it to. Because it should now be looking for all the sunflowers with 14 petals. Oh my goodness, why isn't this working? I feel that something is not working. I don't know. So we're now going to 2, 5. And that should be 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one there. Oh, wait. I know what's happening. All right, okay. I made a dumb. So we need to, since it won't understand that it's not in the right position. We have to move the other way. Oh my goodness. Stop that. The other way too. So we go minus X. Wait, yes. Move west. This isn't so dumb. It's just that it doesn't take into account that it could, like, it wraps around it. Like if you are here and go right, then you end up over there. And this is ignoring that, but that's fine. Right, so now it should work, I hope. Yeah, it does, I think. It looks like it does. Almost. These are bullied. We're not going to pluck them, apparently. Why not? Why did you do this? I'm not sure. I'm gonna do this. There is something going on. It's not, or maybe it's because they were already there and we're just waiting. No, we should like remove them the first thing. I'm not sure. Not all sunflowers being plucked. And we can just like go back and debug that another time when we like feel like it. There. So now we can like decide that what does the power do? We haven't checked that yet. I forgot about that. Here's sunflower. We collect power. What do the power do? I think the power makes the drone go faster. If you harvest, it will give you power. Base growth time, blah, blah, blah. It costs carrots. Yeah, all right. Where's the power information? Power. Obtained by harvesting sunflowers. The drone automatically uses this to move twice as fast. You have 1243.25 power at the moment. All right, so what we want to do is when we start, where's the main? We want to import sunflower. And then, I don't know, like we import water here. Is it a problem that we also import water there? I don't know. We'll see. Like, will it be like ignored the second time it go, like in PHP you can go require once? Oh, there's information. Import side effects. The first time you import a file, it will execute the entire file. Yes, so that's why I removed the running of it there. So power. And we should check, like, if we have enough power, we don't need to do this. So if, is this an item I can check? Num items. Items. Power. Yes. If that is less than, say, 500, then we do sunflower. What, plant and harvest. There. And otherwise, we skip it. That should do nicely. What is it doing? Oh, it's doing a lot of different things. Huh, why is it getting through so fast? Water and fire farm above water level 0.5. Is that bad? I don't know. Why is it planting so few things? That's weird. Oh, because it doesn't have so much wood, so it can't plant the things. So, wait, so plant the carrots costs 2. So if we don't have, let's see, if no items, wood, if that is less than 2 times the amount of things. No, wait, we only do 1 row. Okay, so get world size. So if we don't have enough for an entire row, we could skip this. I think that's good. And then the bushes. What is the cost of those? Is there no cost? There's no cost. What? It seems that there is no. cost of planting wood? What? But there must be, because... Wait. Because they didn't plant them. Where's the information that I'm looking for? It does indeed seem that there is no cost to planting bushes. Then why would it not plant a lot of bushes? That's weird. Why isn't it planting a bush? I don't get it. Maybe we should check if there's a bush there. If get entity type is not entities bush and get ground type is not grounds grassland, then you can till it so that we get, then we will get hay. I don't know. I don't get why it isn't planting bushes though. Because the cost for bush can't be wood, because that's the only way we got wood. I don't get it. Oh, now it has planted a lot of bushes. You can plant it on soil sometimes. Grounds, but not always. It is the oddness. And we're not doing the grass because we have a lot of it. So... Wait. Why isn't it doing this, though? That seems weird. We have 218. That is more than get world size. I don't get it. Why? No. Oh. You saw nothing. There we go. All right, what are we doing now? We want to have more speed. I can't have more speed. Aw. 2,500. Okay. So we're always trying to plant bushes, so we're not skipping that. Okay. All right. Maybe we should dip our toes into the trees then. More water. All right, Phoenix. I'll be patiently waiting until you get back. Fertilizer scares me. It gives you like unknown matter and it's weird. Let's wait with that, because if we go here, here's our pumpkins. Pumpkins are interesting. So let's see. Can I not unlock trees? No, I need 50 wood. And I think I have enough carrots because I have 3,000 of them. Then we could, like, if we have and Tim's carrot is below 3,000. We don't need to do that now. This should mean we only do bushes for a while. Can it move faster, please? There we go. Trees. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give, so we don't need to do bushes anymore then, I think. They give 5 wood each. Like bushes, they can be planted on grass or soil. Trees like to have some space, and planting trees right next to each other will slow down their growth. The growth time is doubled for each tree that is on a tile directly to the north, east, west, or south of it. So what you want to do is like a checkerboard pattern. So if you plant trees on every tile, they will take 16 times longer to grow. And here's some spoiler that we can cheat with, but I don't think so. We're going to do, like here, instead of just planting a bush, we're gonna do if get position X modulus. What do I want to do? 2. Like if it's on an even number. Wait, someone was like did something like this. I think. Wait. I have done it again. This is not the syntax. That's the Python syntax. There we go. And then we plant a tree. Entities tree. Else. Do I need a colon here? I don't remember. It's gonna tell me real soon. Yes, we need a colon there. Okay. There. Let's see what it does. No, it never does it. What? Wait, I need to. I did plant a tree. What? Oh. But it only does it on the first row, so because that's not. What if I do 1 instead? Like I was going to do check these separately, but yeah, no. Okay, my brain is not smart enough for this. Wait, so we want to do it on this one, but then we want to do it on that one. Do we want to do... We don't want to do an aura there, but that... No. How does one make this logic? Because like this is the long form logic that I want to do. So like wait. What if I do this? What if I do that? Then only one of them can be uneven. That should work, I think. Oh, if you don't know what modulus does, it divides or like it checks if you're gonna divide something by 2 and then you end up with a bunch of other stuff that is like not fitting in the 2. Then that's the answer to the modulus. I'm not good at explaining it, but I like that operator. It's very good. Let's see what this does. Yes, that is the thing that I wanted to do, I think. I'm pretty sure that's right. Yeah. See, I solved it. You can do this like the exact same results with like a long as logic check, but this is way more efficient. Or like this is easier to read. Not easier to understand, apparently. Now, okay, so we're getting a bunch of wood. What is happening now? So we have that. Wait, we already had that. Okay. Now we can unlock pumpkins. Pumpkins. They are interesting. No, stop. Where should I put this? I can close that. So can you read this? Like, I assume not. Pumpkins grow like carrots on tilled soil. Planting them costs carrot. When all the pumpkins in a square are fully grown, they will grow together to form a giant pumpkin. Unfortunately, pumpkins have a 20% chance of dying once they are fully grown, so you will need to replant the dead ones if you want them to merge. When a pumpkin dies, so like the goal is to have the entire map filled by a pumpkin, right? When a pumpkin dies, it leaves behind a dead pumpkin that won't drop anything when harvested. Planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead pumpkin, so there is no need to harvest it. Can harvest always returns false on dead pumpkins. The yield of a giant pumpkin depends on the size of the pumpkin. You get more the bigger it is. That's all you need to know. And it like increases exponentially, I think. And n times n pumpkin yields n times 6 pumpkins for n is bigger than 6. Oh, so you only need to get them to the 6, but I like to get them to the entire map because it looks very silly. It's a good idea to get at least 6 times 6 size pumpkins to get the full multiplier. This means that even if you plant a pumpkin on every tile in a square, one of the pumpkins may die and prevent the mega pumpkin from growing. Now I'm just because can harvest will return false if it's not done growing yet. But what will item return? Well, let's make ourselves a little program. Again, a little function, a little pumpkin function. Pumpkin. So this will also be called plant and harvest, and I don't know why it didn't put a define first. So the first bit will be quite similar to the sunflower, which means you should, if you need to copy code, you need to make a function. So this is a plant. Plant function define plant. Let's call it like full plant, I think. Man, the text is small. So let's steal from this one now. So plant here like this, and entity type, and we want to know the ground type too that we need to have. So I think we can do here that is entity type is not what? If it's already the thing that we want to plant. No, wait. If it's something there and it's growing, we're gonna wait for it. But not if it's the thing. Thing. So the thing is, like, I'm assuming this takes time to run. Why can't I get the information about the function? So I don't want to be running it like unnecessarily. Get entity type. See, it takes a whole tick to execute. So instead of doing that multiple times, we save it in current thing. And then we can just check the current thing. If current thing is not the entity type that we want. That should work even if it's none or the thing. It should not go in here. So if it's not, oh, ground type. If it's not the type we want, then we till, and then we plant the entity type. Oh, I guess measure will do some weird things. Like maybe we'll leave this alone just because we have the measure here. Because otherwise I need to return this from this bit. I mean, I'm thinking that like maybe I could like save in a list that we do not have a dead pumpkin. And like, but wait, when does it die? Unfortunately, pumpkin have a 20% chance of dying once they are fully grown. All right. What does measure do in this instance? I don't think we need that though. No, I'm gonna remove it and then regret it later probably. We'll see. So this would just go through the entire thing and leave it alone if it's already what we want. Otherwise, wait for us to be able to harvest whatever is already there. And then like it could just skip it too. Because then we can run it multiple times. I'm not sure about that. Let's leave it like, because I don't have the... So here, we're gonna do a full plant. Wait. Actually, let's count how many things we plant. I think planted 0, and then every time we plant something, plant. Wait, does this language do? Can we do this in this language? I don't know. And then we return planted. Is this possible? I'm not sure. Operators. Where are they? Is there a plus plus thing? Or is there a C++ functionality? It does exist in PHP too. Let's try it. Okay, there's a big error thing. See, this is not a valid expression. Okay. Fine. Add +1. There we go. Plant. Oh, also it's not plant, it's planted. There. All right. So, what did I call it? We need to import. Import plant. Plant. Full plant. Okay, wait. Pumpkins. We have 0 pumpkins. 0. And then pumpkins is pumpkins plus how many we plant. But then, no, wait. I feel I okay, I'm gonna make this very specific to the pumpkins. Unfortunately. Can I define it underneath it, or do I have to define it on top of it? I do not know. I did that again. Silly. Because I'm trying to remove tabs and I click shift tab because in my IDE that I usually use that removes tabs. So that is why I keep doing that. Anyway. Then we can just do that. So we want to go through. I feel I'm gonna make this very inefficient if I like make them, if I like go wait. Oh, wait. I feel like if I plant everything and then I do a measure, I'm not sure what I will get if I do that on a pumpkin. I have a slight memory that measure will actually help me here. Or is it like in senses? Let's see. Oh, I wish I had a search functionality. Why can't I just like click it and get information what it does? Because I feel like I should be able to do that. Okay. Apparently not, and I can't find it. Can I control it? I can't wait. Oh, it just searches in my code. Oh, there it is. It did actually search in all the windows. Okay. Can measure values on some entities. The effect of this depends on the entity. If the direction is not none, it measures things. Because it returns the number of petals for a sunflower, returns the next position for a treasure or apple, returns the size of a cactus. We haven't gotten cactuses yet. Returns a mystery number for a pumpkin. A mysterious number? What am I going to do with a mysterious number? Wait, okay. What if I just... mysterious number, and then like we have a little there, and then I just run this. What happened? Error. Full plant takes 2 arguments. Oh. Oh, so it does. Why aren't you entities? Pumpkin, and then what do we need to plant it on? They grow on tilled soil. All right. So ground soil. There. You try to call something that is not a function. Plant. What? I did? When did I do that? Common mistake that can cause this is having a variable with the same name as the function. Oh, okay. So let's call it planting then. Even though I decided not to use this, so because I made the code specific. What now? Plant a pumpkin. Hooray. Error. Trying to use plus on the function plant. What? Oh. So. What did it get? That is indeed a very mysterious number that we got when we measured that pumpkin. Oh my goodness, they have now made the pumpkins look odder. What do we get here? And it is dead pumpkin. I see. So we need to check if it is a dead pumpkin. Or do we? Can we just like not? Pumpkin. How do I know if it's fully grown? Oh, so we check if it's a pumpkin and if we can harvest it. Then it is a pumpkin that is not dead. Wait, or a dead wait. So a dead pumpkin will, what was it? I think it said that it would return false. Can harvest returns false on dead pumpkins. That is handy. Thank you. So what we do here, okay. Hang on. I'm thinking. I'm gonna redo that. We don't have any pumpkins to begin with. And then while we're planting, we're not checking if we have planted a pumpkin. We're checking if there's a grown pumpkin. If the thing is already there, then what? Then, and since this is for pumpkins, why don't we just... Oh, it doesn't matter now. It's too much work to do. If... Wait, how does this work? Else if... How do I do an else if? Else if? Elif? What is elif? Is elif what I want to do? I think it is. Wait, I need to have a condition too, probably. Does the same thing as else if condition. Why did it show me the speed upgrade? That's weird. So if we can harvest, then, well, grown. I'm gonna call them grown. Then we increase the number of grown. So each time we do this, we're gonna count the total amount of pumpkins. So we're not doing this. We are doing while this is less than world size times world size. Like we only need to do a 6x6 pumpkin, but I want it to be over the entire world. So wait, do nothing. Like okay, actually then yes, because I don't know how to write a while loop that like that's nothing. So pumpkins 0, and then we change it to pumpkins there. And I don't know what to do with this, so we're not doing that. But after this is done, the pumpkin should be all over the map. And we should just harvest it. Looks. What? Like, is any of this getting through to you? Let's see what it does now. So. Wait, I don't want this to harvest anything. I don't think it does. No. Error. Well, it's not my fault I can't spell pumpkins. All of it is getting through to you. Oh, that's amazing. I'm gonna plant so many pumpkins now. Let's see what it does. Wait, so it's over here doing the wrong thing. If it shouldn't have gone in there. The current thing is what? It's a dead pumpkin. That's what it is. And the entity type is what? Pumpkin. Oh, since it's a dead pumpkin, it's thinking that it should kind of wait there. Which it shouldn't. Not current thing. Wait, what? I'm negating it so much. My current thing is not a entities dead pumpkin. Not can harvest. There we go. That should do it. See? Now there's 30. How big is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6? Sorry, I was looking at information about moving to Sweden. Well, why not vacation in Sweden this year? See the wonderful telephone system and the many interesting furry animals. That is totally not from Monty Python. I read that wrong. I read it like, I'm coming to Sweden again, like last year. And I was like, you already were here last year. So you can't come here again last year because you have already done that. I'm silly. Why is it 30? Wait. Oh, because this is not done. This is a pumpkin that cannot be harvested. So we need to wait. There we go. Look at that. Look at that pumpkin. So now, hopefully, it will just go and harvest it. Poof. Amazing. So now we have 216 pumpkins. Yeah, I figured it out. So we're gonna import pumpkins. Pumpkin, apparently. And I think, wait, pumpkins cost something. It costs 1 carrot to plant. So if we do not have, there's a 20% chance they die. So we need like, wait. Pumpkins. If non-items, items, carrot. So we don't just need the size of the world. We need a little bit more than that. So we can go like if we don't have twice the size of the world, then we don't do it. Like that. Pumpkins. I can't spell pumpkin. Pumpkin. Plant. Did I call it plant and harvest? Probably. Yeah, I did. We also learned that you can very much define a function underneath a function that uses it. Because when I started out, you couldn't do that in C++. You had to define it before you used it. And the compiler hadn't read this bit when it read that bit and it freaked out. So, but we're not there now. So we can just do that. Okay, so then it will just do pumpkins one iteration and it will be fine. I'm gonna save. This is easy and not. I'm coming for 3 weeks again to Sweden. That is nice. You'll have a great time, I'm sure. All right, so now, did I remove that? No, I did not. There. Now we can just run all this. This becomes a bit complicated quite fast. The reason it goes over the entire map before it harvests the pumpkin is it has to check that it's enough pumpkins there. All right. Okay. So we don't have what is oh. Thank you for the bits.
Just cheered 47 bits.
47. I just don't like your ticks. Yeah, well, I mean, get the vaccines. They're not hurting anyone, not really, but they are really. Yeah, Hobbs, ticks like little bugs that crawl around in the forest and then like they sit on leaves and when you walk under them, they fall down on you and then they bite you in like the most intimate place they can find. For reals. Well, they're not everywhere. We have a fair amount here. Now, what am I doing? Why is it? Oh, if we, I see. If we do grass, we only do that amount. Okay, well, I don't know. Let's see. Can we upgrade this? Increase the yield of trees and bushes. Yes, that seems reasonable. Okay, I want to upgrade everything. Why can't I upgrade this more? Expand. Oh, if we have 1,000 pumpkins, which we do, we can expand the map. 8,000. Oh my goodness. All right. And increase the yield of carrots. And costs. What do they cost now? Now we gotta check what carrots costs. Now they cost 8. So I guess I will have to change. Can I get the cost? Get cost. What? No. Can I not check the cost like with a function? Cost. Apparently not. Really? Because I want to do it. Doesn't seem like it. Well, I guess I'll put that in then. There's probably a function. I just don't know what it is. It does also cost hay. That's fine. Oh, what now? What has happened?
Just cheered 26 bits.
Thank you for the bits, Nord. What are you doing? Oh, you want me to check the chat? Maybe I got distracted. uh, or else you don't get sick from immediately. Well, I have had a lot of ticks, and I haven't gotten sick either. So, like, you're not always going to get infected by all of them. It's just you need to be safe. Aerosol spray and match lighters should fix that fear real quick. Well, that's when you like kill it once you have found it, but that's you usually don't know that you have them. They're really small. Whiskey is good to get rid of them. Dab them with the stuff and they let go before long. Oh, that's good to know because like when I was little, my mom like put mayonnaise or butter on them and they like that is apparently not good, by the way, because they might vomit if you do that. For reals, I read it. It's horrible. So they will vomit like into you and you don't want that. Oh, it's better to just like pull them out, actually. Yeah. Actually, actually it's not a good idea to like put things on them because they might vomit. You don't want them to do that. You never had a tick? Oh, I had like hundreds. So um so when we're planting sunflowers, if there's a dead pumpkin there, like technically there should never be one if we run the program from start to finish, but obviously we have one. So here we need to see now that this happens again. Entity is dead pumpkin. So current entity type, and then I'm gonna change this to this. See, I was about to have a bug anyway. So there you go. And now if I run it, this is very interesting to look at. Gonna have a bigger pumpkin now, I hope. Big pumpkin. How many pumpkins? Like, we do it every turn, but I don't know if that's a problem. So, what is this? We need a lot of wood. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Wait, so I have been at it for 3 hours? Doesn't feel like it. But we've gotten pretty far. Look at this mess we have created. Granted, like, my code is just... I don't think we use this bit. I just wrote it. And then I decided not to use it because it was difficult to make it specific enough. So... But this is... no. This is what we have so far. It's pretty good. All right, here 8,000. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. What does this need? 32,000. Oh, are we at this point where it's annoying to wait for it? We can't upgrade this either. Oh, that I could. Increase the yield and cost of pumpkins. So Since pumpkin is now more expensive. What does it cost? Where is the pumpkin? Pumpkin type there. It costs twice as much, or two of those. All right, so I'm gonna put a 4 here then. It really bugs me. Like, there should be a way to check what the cost is for something. Can we do that? Like, is there items cost? Cost. Apparently not. Items. No. What is this? This is just stuff. Get entity type. Like, is there like get entity cost? Num items. Num unlocked. What does it do? Use to check if an unlock entity group or item has or hat is already unlocked. It's not exactly what I wanted. Num unlocked. When you return the number of times it was unlocked. But does the cost of carrots increase with 1 for each unlock, or like how does it work? The great pumpkin. Well, night Nord. You have a great sleep. I didn't know this would go this well. I was like, I thought I would get stuck or something. It doesn't really say. Well, I guess I will have to like keep track of it manually then, I guess. But it does really bother me. And also I'm gonna type 2 times 2 here, and then I'm gonna like make a little note here. Only do this. Save. Okay, save. Thank you. Night Nord. I have already said that. Maybe I should go to bed soon. Only do this if we have twice the world size times carrots. Because of pumpkins. There. Very good. And we can't unlock more of this. Oh, that was unlockable. Very good. So Use companion planting to increase the yield. This is an interesting bit. I like I remember doing a very strange thing with this because let's unlock it. I'll show you how strange it is. Let's put it down here. So, because it's not just like plants next to each other. You may have already noticed that sometimes plants yield more when planted together. Well, I haven't noticed because I haven't paid that close of attention to that. Grass, bushes, trees, and carrots yield more when they have the right plant companion. Companion preference is different for each individual plant and cannot be predicted. Fortunately, the companion preference of the plant under the drone can be measured using the get companion. It returns a tuple where the first element is the type of plant it wants as its companion, and the second element is the position where it wants its companion. So it gets this. We have a plant type and we have a position, which I don't remember how to do this. I mean, this is a list, yes, I think. For example, if you plant a bush, then call get companion, it will return something like carrot 3-5. This means that this bush would like to. That is funny, isn't it? This bush would like to have carrots at the position 3-5. So if you plant carrots at 3-5, then harvest the bush, it will yield more wood. The growth stage of the carrot doesn't matter. So a plant companion's preference can be either entities, grass, entities, bush, trees, or carrots. Each plant chooses this randomly, but it will always choose a different plant than itself. The position can also be any position within 3 moves of the plant except the position of the plant itself. If there's no plant under the drone that has a companion preference, it will return none. Before polyculture is unlocked, the yield multiplier is 5. It doubles every time you upgrade it. All right, so what you could do then is we can put, wait, I'm gonna make a little function so I can run this while I write it, as I usually do. Okay, so I'm gonna write some code for this. Oh, hi, Aura. Test. Test is successful. There's not much testing in this code. I'm just running it. It seems to be working well. So what we could do here, my thought process is now that I'm gonna write the polyculture thing, and then once we have done that, we can end the stream because man, time goes fast when you're having fun. So we're gonna define plant and harvest. Oh. Maybe you can't see what I'm writing. We don't need to see the map, do we? Like, we could. Can organize my windows pretty there. So what we want to do is like... Oh, thank you. 5 months. That is amazing.
Just subscribed for 5 months. So many tests.
So many tests. Yes, oh my goodness, that's almost half a year. That's insane. Thank you so much for being subscribed for that long. Thank you. Anyway, so what was I thinking? I don't know. It was something about planting. Right. So when we start, we're gonna check if there's something to plant or like harvest here. So I'm gonna what if we just do an if actually? Get current, or get entity. Why aren't you auto completing for me? Current. If current is not none. What do we do? Wait, do we just like check if we can harvest actually? Like, let's try and do that. Let's see what is problem with that. Can harvest. And then if we can, then we harvest. Then we're at 0. Wait, did this include grass? It can be grass, bush. Okay, so. And here when we start, if we harvest, then we can just like if. Thought the title was supposed to be a funny one. It is. I thought it was funny, actually, that it does sound like a title, but it's the name of the game. That's the joke. Congratulations, you discovered the name of the joke. What is happening right now? I'm gonna look away from it. Wait. What am I doing now? Yes, grounds type. Get ground type. It's not ground, so grassland. Then we till so that we get grass. Because we start with grass, because yes. Oh boy, programming. You're not gonna be that, like, go back and watch the beginning of the stream. It goes very slowly forward, and it gives you, every time you unlock something, it gives you a bunch of information. I just skimmed through it because I know a lot of it already. But actually, like, I wasn't knowledgeable at all in Python. Why is it doing that? I don't like this. I have to change it. Wait, what is actually, why isn't it tilling it? If it isn't a bush, and the ground top isn't grassland, it should till. What? So then it should always become grasslands. I don't understand why it doesn't do this. Maybe I should check for trees too. Is it tilling my trees? Not sure. It might have been. Wait, why isn't it doing this? That's not how it moved before. It's because it doesn't do the entire map. I'm not sure that's an issue. But it goes into something else. I'm not sure. I mean, we could do this. And it should go through the entire map. I think. Huh. Why isn't it planting trees? I got stuck. Checking on something. All right, so it harvests this. And then it should either plant a tree or a bush. Bush. Yeah, very good. Go to next row, please. So now it works, supposedly. I don't know. The farmer was replaced by AI. No, by my code. It is actually not AI. Where was I? I was doing this bit of code here. So if it's not grass, then we till. And then then that should make grass grow, and then we can do get companion, but we need to like companion there. So now we should have an entity and a thing. So we should be able to import that I wrote before that we have somewhere over here. We have the go to. So we should be able to go to and that one's, how do I enter this? Recodrias. Yeah. So this should wait. Get companion returns very strange things. Companion 1 Okay, so the second part of it is the position, and that should have an X and a Y. This makes sense if you know how lists works. And then, once we're there, we want to plant... Wait, what could it be? So, we can have grass, bush, tree, or carrot. But the carrot wants soil. No, that... Yes, wait. Carrot. Where's the carrot information? Oh.
Just redeemed.
Hi. Welcome back. You're still alive? Oh, good. Me too. I am also still alive. I am fairly sure that we need soil for carrots and grass for the other ones. Yes. All right. I'm gonna just assume. Oh, what happened? Oh, I'm gonna glitch out now. Okay, well, the code is doomed then. So here, we're gonna do, like, if... Wait. So if companion 0, oops, if this is entities carrots and get ground type not, I mean, there are only 2 ground types, but I firmly believe the Grim Reaper is real and probably indecisive about taking my soul. Well, you know, is the Grim Reaper actually causing deaths, or is he just reaping souls after you have actually died? You gotta think about that. Wait, if it is not grounds, like the carrot wants soil, there, then we chill. There. And else, if the get grounds is not grass, then we chill. Or then I could do an or. No, it's gonna be hard to read. Grass. This is easier to read. Depends if this is final destination or not. Like, well, it could be like that he has a soul quota and he's very annoyed if he doesn't get to, you know, fill it. And then we should just plant. Whatever it is we want to plant. The companion 0. Wait, where is it? This would be a 0 here. There you go. Otherwise, I don't know what that would have done. Plant that. And then we actually want to have a stop thing. Like, do we do... We do a like 4 loop here. We can have a little number here. Number of plants to do. Yeah, and range. Also, I'm saying E because that's the Swedish name for that letter, but it's I. I still can't drive behind log trucks because of that film. Oh, well, maybe that's not so bad because, oh yeah, me neither. Yeah, would make sense. Yeah. Madman Fenrir described it best that Final Destination isn't a horror, but a comedy. I tend to agree. It's a popcorn movie. So, we just do this for a bunch of times. And then we're done. So now I can just put this in, not this, the colon is this. We have to import polyculture, and then like, do we do it after power? Do some poly there. And how many times? Like, do we just take the world size like this? There. Error. What? The important module has a syntax error. What do you mean? Oh. There's another syntax error? Where is it? What's wrong with it? I can't see a syntax error in it. Run. Plant and harvest. Oh. Culture. I keep forgetting to do that. See? Now it goes around doing odd things. And now it has... What is happening? Oh wait, it's never harvesting. Forgot about that. I think this is the start case, so we should just do this at the end. Like, or no, wait. Like here. There's something there we can harvest, and we should harvest it. There we go. I forgot about that. Too desensitized, the typos are real. Yeah. And after the second film, they turned into how over the top it was. Yeah, that tends to happen with films, doesn't it? All right, so I said I would, like, I thought this would be more complicated to write. What is wrong? You triggered a warning. Where? Cannot plant entities carrot on grounds grassland. Land. Where? Why does it try to do that? That shouldn't happen. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, can we upgrade? Oh my, yes we can. 4,000 carrots. I think we should not, like, reason we can't upgrade this is because we use all the carrots. So we should, like, since we need 4,000 carrots, then we should, like, before we do pumpkins, where's pumpkins? Then we should see if Okay, well, this is kind of annoying, but because I don't think we need that many pumpkins. What is it now? Oh, we actually need pumpkins to unlock the cactuses. Well. I'm not doing that tonight. No cactus, no cacti tonight. We could do this though. But I did say I wasn't going to write more code, so to remember that, maybe I just create a, oh my goodness, all my windows are on top of each other. Oh, come on. Fertilize. We can read about it. At some point, wanting the plants to grow is just not efficient enough anymore. Similar to water, you will automatically receive 1 fertilizer every 10 seconds, doubling with each upgrade. Fertilizer can make plants grow instantly. Use item. Items fertilizer reduces the remaining growing time of the plant under the drone by 2 seconds. This has some side effects. Plants grown with fertilizer will be infected. When a plant is infected, half of its yield is turned into items. Wait. Plants grown with fertilizer. And we'll get the half of it will be a weird substance when it is harvested. Weird substance can also be used on plants, which has the effect of toggling the infected status of the plant and all adjacent plants. This is where I struggled because I was like, how do I know if a plant is infected unless I try to keep track of it? And it was not easy. So if you call use items with substance on a infected plant, it will cure it. But if you use it on a healthy plant, it will infect it. If you use it on an infected plant that has healthy neighbors, it will cure the plant but infect the neighbors and vice versa. So it's like difficult. So that is something we can think about until next time. Oh, look how many grass things it does. Whee! Sounds good. Yeah. So like if we fertilize this one, it gets infected, and then if we use like mysterious substance on it, it will cure this one, but that, and that will get infected, I think it means. What is neighbor? Adjacent plants. I think it's not diagonal, but I'm not sure. So you have to like keep a list of all the coordinates and if it's infected or not. So it gets complicated. And you get, well, you can just like, I don't know. I will think about it. Giant pumpkin. There you go. That is a big pumpkin. Well, I'm gonna save. Oh, in this view, you only get the field. That's interesting. Didn't think about that. Yeah. I'm gonna go to bed, and I hope you had a lovely time listening to me ramble about what code I was going to write. I'm not sure I explained things very well, but maybe I had fun anyways. So rest well. Yes, you too. So until next time, take care, stay safe, and remember to stay kind to everyone, but especially yourself. Okay? Okay. Bye.